I'm really obsessed with this. Like, the bigger the hair, the better for me. Hey everyone, it's Natasha from Team Sephora, and as you can see, I am a volume queen. So I'm gonna show you how to get bigger, more voluminous hair with just a few products, so keep watching. I'm starting with clean hair, and it's a little bit flat, so I wanna create some volume directly on the root. So I'm gonna go in with a Crown Affair, the dry shampoo. I love this formula because it's a powder and it has a little brush. So what I'm gonna do is part my hair directly at the root, and I'm using this to add volume, not necessarily as a dry shampoo, but just to create some lift. So I'm gonna put a little bit on the cap. It's kind of like a setting powder for your hair, like the way I just distribute it. And then going in and intentionally placing on this side because I want to create some lift that way. And then I'll go in with this section and do the same thing. And it's okay that it looks white right now because I am going to blend it in afterwards. My next step is to blend everything in with my fingers. So I'm kind of giving myself a nice little scalp massage while blending it in. And I'm also encouraging the root to go upwards. So as you can see, after one product, I already have some instant volume right at the root. Next step is to go in with a texture spray. I have two here. The Living Proof one has a heat protectant, so it's kind of like a 2-in-1, but for today's purpose, I'm gonna be using the Bumble & Bumble Thickening Dry Spun Volume Texture Spray. And this is literally magic in a bottle, and let me show you how I'm gonna use it. So it's important to lean back and spray, and I'm just grabbing from the root to the middle. And you can really feel this spray working. And it's important to get it at the root as well. And don't forget the bottom. Don't forget the back. So once you've sprayed, you really just wanna reach back and then pull forward and then set in place. And you can really see how much volume we've created with this technique. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side. My favorite part, texture spray. And remember the technique that I taught you. So we're just gonna reach and pull. Both sides are done, and look at this volume, my goodness. I love bringing life back into my hair. It's touchable, it's movable. The big hair is just everything to me. Let me know in the comments below, what are your go-to texture and volume products? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.